Welcome, everyone. It's always nice to see you in ICT Hub. But today and this evening, we have a privilege to have a very special guest. For the first time in Serbia, we have an official visit of USAID administrator. Today with us, we have a first USAID administrator that is visiting Serbia, and it is a great honor to welcome Samanta Pauer, who is not only an experienced diplomat, but also an acclaimed author, journalist, and university professor. And this is very interesting for all of you here because she fully and deeply understands all the things that we are doing, meaning the importance of our innovation ecosystem in the local economy. So without further ado, please, Mrs. Pauer.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Alexandra. Thank you. Hvala vam puno. Dobro večer. Bila sam novinarka ovdje in bivša Yugoslavia back in the day. This is my first trip back to Serbia in more than 25 years. The Serbia I last visited was not a Serbia that was known for its tech and its innovation and its knowledge economy, but it is incredibly exciting to see what Serbia has become. And I am the first USAID administrator to visit Serbia. That is going to be something that makes me very proud for a long time. USAID has invested nearly $1 billion in resources in helping expand Serbia's economy, strengthen its democracy, foster reconciliation and regional integration. But one of the things that we are especially thankful that we are associated with is the innovation sector with really very, very modest investments to be able to partner with Serbian leaders like those who are gathered here today. That is our privilege. We feel very, very privileged to have been partners with some of you over these last years as you have fueled this incredible innovation. You can feel the energy in the room, in the hub, I guess we would say, the insatiable curiosity and the sense of possibility, the sense of hope. That is something that is in short supply, frankly, around the world. And also in this region, and yet it is young people, it is creators who bring that sense of hope and who create, who innovate in ways that make people's lives better. And that is an incredible form of public service, if you will. I think that this moment in Serbia's tech trajectory is one that should be even more broadly known around the world. And you can count on me being an ambassador for Serbia's tech industry when I go back to the United States, when I travel to Silicon Valley, but also when I travel elsewhere around the world. More people should know that last year, Serbia's IT sector grew by a remarkable 45%. More people should know that the sector led Serbia's export earnings for the first time ever. Serbians are building successful tech enterprises like the popular game developer Nordeus, do I say that correctly? Nordeus, and the biotech leader 7Bridges. More and more global companies like Microsoft and Amazon are setting down roots right here, recognizing the amazing talents of individuals like you. You are at the vanguard of a growing industry. You are creating the companies right now that will lead the next phase of Serbia's innovation-driven development. Companies like 3F, which is building the next generation of tools for people with special needs and motor disabilities to more easily navigate daily tasks and boost their quality of life. This is a tool that will be invaluable for people like those I met yesterday, Serbians with disabilities who have really, really struggled. You are doing something that will improve their lives. But also, this is something that can be so beneficial to individuals and families with disabilities all around the world. Companies like Tenderly, created by Miljan. Is Miljan here? Not only is Miljan pioneering blockchain technology, but also creating employment opportunities for 80 other Serbians. We have so many other promising companies here with us driving essential innovation in agri-tech, which is going to become more and more important in the era of climate change and climate adaptation, gaming, blockchain, and biotech. Every single one of your companies, of your startups, represents another opportunity for this country's brightest young people to work and critically to be able to stay here in Serbia, to be able to remain. And we at USAID are committed to helping expand those opportunities. As I mentioned earlier, we helped found this ICT hub nearly 10 years ago. And we are now helping nurture more young entrepreneurs through the Serbia Innovates program. Last year, USAID worked with the ICT Hub and another great organization called Digital Serbia Initiative to host the SPLET conference, the first ever innovation and tech conference in the Balkans. More than 2,000 participants, including, I'm sure, many of you from the region attended, building connections and learning more about the opportunities that Serbia's growing leadership in IT can create for them. I look forward to talking with you all about what else USAID can do to keep fueling the growth of Serbia's tech economy, its digital innovation. But believe me, we know we are in a followership role. We take our cues from you. You can help us know what we can do that can be catalytic, that might be able to open a door for you. We know that once that door is open, the rest is history, and you will take it from there. And that is really the logic of this partnership, and I think why it has been so fruitful. We recognize your talent, your potential, and our job is simply to be catalytic on your behalf. There's an intoxicating sense, I think, of being near the beginning of something really exciting for all of the progress that the tech industry has made. I met with President Vučić and the Prime Minister earlier today, and it's clearly that they are very, very alert to the prospects that Serbia has for going even further. And again, I think a lot about the young people who stand to benefit, who every year come onto the job market and for many, many years haven't had enough opportunities here in Serbia. And this stands to be an opportunity generator as well as an idea generator economy. So keep trying out new ideas, keep searching for solutions, keep letting us know how we can be supportive. But we know that our main job is simply to spread the word about what is already unfolding here in Serbia and what you all are already making happen. So thank you so much, and thank you for having me here today. Hvala vam puno.